Are you videoing it?
Yep, I'm videoing it.
Well done, Liam. Well done. You can put it on my YouTube channel.
It's pretty tall.
Well, you can't really see it, but there's a San Jacinto monument there. So as we get to it, it should, focus on it. So let's go. There's in the car.
They have cattails.
Here's Joy. Mom's behind there. Dad's there. Just wait it out. Oh, we're getting close. Like super close. Gosh. Okay. Like straight ahead right here.
I'd like to make some weekend trips to all the Texas
The car
sites.
is right there.
It's a good idea that Liam's never done.
San Jacinto State Historic Site.
Yes.
Battleground Monument Museum.
Excellent. I'm going to read all the museum info.
Joy, you'll be the cameraman as I go wee.
Okay. We might have to make smaller videos, like little excerpts, because her phone probably can't.
She has 21 minutes of storage.
Oh, okay, 21 minutes. Thank you for telling me, because I was like, how much can she actually do?
There it is. Oh, I'm getting a good shot on it.
Excellent.
I got a good shot on its booty.
Excellent.
Okay.
Liam's taking video.
Look it. Look at that star. All the way from there to there.
Where's the museum?
There's a museum inside the monument somehow. Woohoo, look at the top of that. Well, okay, we're gonna go and park right now and take a look at that fatty. Oh, I see some writing there. Okay, I see some writing. I see some writing carved out on it.
You have to read it.
Yeah.
All on these grounds will be a long time ago. These troops and guns and shooting.
Okay.
So strange, because we look very peaceful now. Take my water and my cards. They accept cards, right?
Oh God. Like way too right. What's up with the sun? Gosh, it's way taller than I expected.
I can't even look up there because of the sun.
I can't even look up there because it's so tall.
It's tall and sunny. Did you pause the recording in between? Because then we can do a little bit more pausing. To get 20 minutes.
I'm gonna record the writing. Okay, you go read the writing out loud.
Oh my gosh, no way. Are you serious? I don't want to read all that.
Read it, or should I read it out loud?
You could read it out loud because I don't know about me reading it out loud.
Really? I want you
It's
to read it
long.
out loud to the camera.
Okay, well, can we get up real close?
Okay.
So nobody can hear me?
Gosh.
He's recording. Yeah, you're going to read it, or I'll read it. It doesn't matter, but I want to get closer. Oh, he wants your picture. Go get your picture taken and then we'll finish.
That's when they have the reenactment. Is in October. In October.
Where's the waiting area?
You need some shades, don't you?
In just a second, man.
Can we take our picture up there next to the door?
We will. All right. Okay. You're reading that stuff?
He is. He's going to read it.
The first shot of the revolution.
Stop.
He's going to read it. He's going to read it.
We gotta do this for the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, valor. That's
Okay. For the first shot of the revolution of 1835 to 36 was fired by the Texans at Consoles, or Consoles, I don't know.
It says
October 2nd, 1835, in resistance to a demand by Mexican soldiers for a small cannon held by the colonists, the Mexican garrison at
so it's actually G.
Goliad fell October 9. Oh God.
Yep, you got it.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Oh, it's
to the
okay.
rim.
Finish reading the last, at least this side.
Wait, where was I?
You
Okay,
said
October
the
9th.
battle.
The Battle of
That's it.
Conception.
Yeah,
What?
Conception.
Conception was won by the Texans. October 28th, San Antonio was captured. December 10th, 1835. After the 5 days of the fighting in which the indomitable Benjamin R. Millam died a hero and the Mexican army evacuated Texas.
All right.
Excellent.
Gosh.
That was
an
hard.
excellent video.
That was hard to read. Huh?
Okay, I'm not gonna.
You want to pause it or no?
There's the continuation.
Okay,
Finish it off. Or do you want one?
how about-
Want
how-
me to read the rest?
Yeah,
And then
'cause
you, but film it.
Sunglasses?
Film
Want
it.
some sunglasses?
Yeah,
Read it.
give him some sunglasses. All right.
thank you.
Texas declared her independence at Washington on the Brazos March 2nd. For nearly 2 months, her armies met disaster and defeat. Dr. James Grant's men were killed on Agua Dulce March 2nd. William Barrett Travis and his men sacrificed their lives at the Alamo March 6th. William Ward was defeated at Refugio March 14th. What does that say? Oh, it says Amon B. King's men were executed near Refugio March 16th, and James Walker Fannin and his army were put to death near Goliad March 27, 1836. That's a long time ago.
So many deaths.
A lot
So much violence.
of deceased.
War is a terrible thing.
All right. Do you want to pause it, or are we getting close to 20?
Oh, that hot.
Can I have my glasses back?
Okay.
No, because we're going inside. You don't need them anymore.
I'm super hot and I need a wee.
Good look at that.
Yeah,
On the, put that on the video. You see that pretty?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that little
That's a good pool.
rectangular.
It looks like a pool. A very long pool. But where is the? Let's go into the museum
We are.
and see if there's a restroom in there.
And adjust the TV.
Is this true? Yeah.
Yep.
All right, I'll bring you inside.
So that's
No question. You have to use the restroom.
Yeah.
okay.
Here we go.
Joy.
How about you pause now?